Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. It is another installation video, and today we're going to be installing RS-R Superdowns, and we're going to lower my car right here. She's already in the garage. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So the first step of the installation is, before you jack up your car, make sure you loosen the bolts first. And to loosen the bolts, we're gonna be using the tool that they gave you, this one. And since I have the XSE wheels, you guys also need the tool to unlock one of the bolts. And then we're gonna be using 21mm hex bolt to loosen them. Alright. Alright, so now the car is ready to be jacked, and see if you can see that. Yep. And we're gonna be using an impact tool with a 21mm bolt pattern or bolt size to take out the wheels. Alright, so now she's all jacked up. We're gonna take out the wheels. so now the wheels are off. We're gonna take out the windshield wipers, these, and the actual white plastic that goes across the engine bay. And to take out the windshield wipers, you'll need a 14mm bolt size for these right here. Alright, the next part is loosening the strut nuts. So there's 3 of them. There's one right here, and one right here, and then one back there. That one is a little challenging because your windshield wipers mechanism is right here. So it's gonna take some time. So now we're gonna actually take out the whole strut. What you're gonna need is take out the bolt and the end links, and then you would need a 17mm bolt size for the end link, and then you also want to take out the ABS sensor bolt. It's back here. Touching it right now, right here, and you'll need a 14mm bolt size right here. I'll show you guys. Where is it? There you go. That is the bolt right here. And then for the actual bigger bolts, you would need a 22mm, and there's 2 of them right here. All right. So the next step is taking out the stock spring on the strut bar, and you need like a special tool. These are spring compressors. You can get them at O'Reilly's or AutoZone for rent, and you would want to put this on the spring so that when you pop out the bolt on top, it doesn't spring everywhere. So yeah. And for the bolt size, you'll need a 19mm. Alright, now, so guys, now we put the RS-R spring on the strut. We're gonna install them on the car now. Alright. Alright guys, we finished the front side of installing the springs. Now we're gonna do the rear side for this one. You're just gonna need a 14mm bolt size for this bolt right here. It's purple for mine. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use my our jack stand to lift it up a little bit. So that pressure is there's no pressure on the bolt and it's easier to take it out. Alright. Finish replacing all the OEM springs, and we replaced it with the RS-R. Now we're gonna put all the wheels back together. Here is the RS-R right there. There we go. Alright, we installed the wheels back already. Now we're gonna take out the jack. Let's see how low we can go now.